Officially presented by IWA Outdoor Classics and our partners, Beretta, Steiner, VFG Weapon Care, and the lead-free hunting bullets by RWS.
Hello and welcome. My name is Christian. I'm here for Low Ready Magazine, the new magazine for modern gun culture made in Europe. I am reporting from IWA 2024 in Nuremberg. I'm here at the booth of Marlin. Marlin belongs to Ruger. Ruger has bought Marlin and the whole assembly of these traditional firearms since the bankruptcy of Remington. This classic type of rifle, probably well known from different movies of the Western genre, but they still have their right in today's world because those are really rugged rifles with a very reliable system. So how does a lever action rifle work? Well, we have the lever which the shooter uses to cycle the action. We have a magazine under the barrel which holds the rounds, and then by using the lever, a new cartridge will be cycled into the breech, into the chamber, and then can be fired. So this lever, by the way, is called a big loop because, well, it's bigger than the standard one that you will find at the classic models. This particular gun is called the Marlin SBL series 1895. It comes with a Picatinny rail on top. It has a threaded muzzle, so you can put on an on-barrel suppressor or maybe a muzzle brake, whichever you see fit. It comes in a stainless steel system with a wooden stock, nice and thick pad at the back of the stock, because these rifles are typically chambered in 45-70 government, 444 Marlin, and also in 30-30 Winchester. 30-30 Winchester, the most civil of those three cartridges. The other ones, they have quite a kick, so you want some extra padding at the back of the stock to absorb the recoil. But there are more variants, of course, available. The SBL series, followed by the so-called Trapper series. The Trapper series also comes with a gray wooden stock, of course a threaded barrel. It lacks the Picatinny rail. It still has a ghost ring sight, and of course, because of the shorter barrel and the shorter magazine, it has one round less in the magazine. Then we have the guide gun. The guide gun comes with a classic sight. It holds as many rounds in the magazine as the SBL series, meaning 6. And it has a black system, black barrel, a big loop as well, a threaded barrel if you want to put on an on-barrel suppressor or a muzzle brake, and a base pad at the end of the stock to absorb the recoil, to make it a little bit more bearable. Because, to be honest, 45-70, they kick like a mule. Good things come to last, or what's the saying? So here we have the modern interpretation of this classic type of rifle. It's called the Black Series. Who would have thought, right? It has a polymer stock. It has a handguard with M-lock slots. It has flush cups for quick detachments, swivels. We do have a Picatinny rail on top with ghost ring sight. We have, of course, a front side post with white marking on it, and on the threaded barrel it comes with a muzzle brake, which totally makes sense because this one is really lightweight, and the lighter a gun with a powerful cartridge such as a 45-70, this one definitely kicks like two mules, I would say. If you want to find more information on this topic and of course on loads of other topics, then come and see us at lowreadymagazine.com. the new community magazine for modern gun culture made in Europe. There you will also find an article on how you can become a contributor for lowreadymagazine.com. We're looking forward to hearing from you and see you on our website.